Vishal Sarkar, your excellence coach and your public speaking expert with another tip for you. And today's tip is something that comes right from my book, from page 43 from my book, I Love Public Speaking, How to Communicate with Excellence. And the tip is, it's not about the grades you make, it's about the hands you shake. It's not about the grades you make, it's about the hands you shake. What do I mean by that? Well, what it means and what it means for you is that, you might be the smartest person in the room, you can have the best knowledge in the room, you can know everything about your subject, but it's not about that. It's about who do you know. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. It's about how many people you are connecting with, how many hands you are shaking, literally and metaphorically and figuratively. So it's not about the grades you made at school, it's about the hands you shake right here. So the tip for you, anytime you go into a room, don't be egoistic thinking, I know a lot of things, I have done my project management degree, I have done my this certification, I have done this many MBAs. No! It's about how I'm connecting with people now. That's how you become impossible to ignore. That's how you become a great communicator. I hope this tip helps you. And if you want more tips, go to my website vishalsarkar.com. My name is Vishal Sarkar, always reminding you that it's not about the grades you make, it's about the hands you shake.